Hi there, it's Messy Moments with Marcy, and today we're talking about hearing from God. Have you ever been in a situation where you feel like your ears are filtered, like you're seeking for God's response for something, you're trying to hear him and it's just not getting through? Well, I have some great news for you. I did something over Lent that really opened up, I think, my ability to hear from the Lord. That was a fast of silence. What do you mean a fast of silence? For me, over Lent, you could give up chocolate or a meal or a TV or whatever. For me, I'm a person that likes to be on the go and is busy doing things. I'm super active. And so I like to listen to music while I'm taking a shower or listen to a podcast while I'm walking around the house and tidying up, or I'd like to do things at the same time. And what I really felt in this season was, hey, slow down, Marcy. We're going to take a fast of silence. So we're going to slow down, and every shower, every bath time, we're not going to play any music. We're not going to listen to a podcast. We're not going to do anything but just be quiet. That was a challenge, but it also brought so much blessing. I felt like there was I'm really old school. So I'm like a broken antenna, but that's so outdated. It's like there's a reception that you only have like one bar of Wi-Fi when you've got all this extra noise in your life. But when you silence things and you intentionally just sit with the silence, it's like it goes from one bar of Wi-Fi to like a full 5 bars of Wi-Fi. And you're like, all of a sudden I can talk in the spirit to the Lord and I'm hearing stuff back. I'm seeing things with new eyes in my circumstance. I'm able to hear instruction like, hey, go call that person, or hey, go spend time doing this, or hey, go do that thing, or hey, just sit still, or hey, you are so loved and valued and I'm so proud of you. All those things, I think, were being blocked by the noise, even good noise. I mean, listening to worship music is great, or listening to a podcast is awesome. These aren't bad things that I was doing. It was just noise, though. There is a place and a time for those, but I think what I needed was a place and time to just be still and listen. And that makes me think of that verse. It says, be still, and know that I am God. And to hear his instructions, sometimes we need to be still. Sometimes we need to carve out intentional space to get away from all of the distractions, to quiet it down, and to have a routine of quiet it down. So it was so nice over 21 days to just say, okay, I'm going to carve out every shower time, every bath time. It's going to be nothing. Nobody's interrupting me either because I'm already in the shower, and it's a great time for us moms. So I'm a busy mom of 3, and that is one of the times that it is really quiet, either really early in the morning when everyone's sleeping or late at night at shower time. It's a great time to just be undistracted and have some time. And I really found that just opened my mind and spirit to receive what God had for me. And I just want to encourage you that if you're looking for an easy routine to open up your spiritual antenna, to up the ante on your Wi-Fi signal to God, think about carving out some intentional time of quiet. Now, where in the Bible do we see some of this happening? We know that Jesus oftentimes withdrew so that he could pray and be alone with God. Multiple times it says in the scripture that he withdrew, he pulled away, and right before there was some sort of breakthrough or he's about to do some really cool miracle or some ministry, there's a time right before where he is just spending time with the Father and is quiet, is away from all those distractions. So if Jesus needed that time, I guarantee we do too. And I just have been so blessed to have that time to soak in and steep in God's words for me. And that gave me energy so I can keep on moving forward in the things He's called me to. And I hope that you will find some peace and some encouragement and some joy in the solitude that you choose. Finding those easy moments that you can step aside, get rid of the distractions on a regular basis, and listen.